Hey, my name is Bobby Terry. On TikTok, they call me BJ, the Hood Realtor. On there, over 4,000 comments about I'm tired of renting, right? So you probably tired of renting too. So what I done on there is I do lives to explain exactly how rent-to-own process really works. Because a lot of people only believe that you could buy a house only if you use the bank. Right now, interest rates are a little bit high, which backed out a lot of buyers. So what does that mean for you, right? That means that a lot of owners' houses are expiring on the market because there's not that many buyers that qualify. So right now their foreclosures are going up. And if you learn to use the letter of intent to mail to them, you possibly can get owner financing from directly with a homeowner without even going to the bank to get a mortgage. That'd be great, right? This works when the interest rates get a little higher, and especially with the values of the houses, it won't work, right? So if you want to know how to structure a deal, even with no equity, this was a no equity deal that I explained on my TikTok live. So your best bet is to follow me on TikTok. And I also gave my subscribers an ebook to explain that whole process if they subscribe. So in the description, I'm going to put the follow me and the subscription so that if you want that ebook of how to do a no equity deal and still profit and be able to make up to $45,000 if you understood the process with even no equity, follow me on TikTok. My name is BJ, the Hood Realtor.